guys. Hi guys. Hi guys.
Good morning.
Hi guys. Hi guys. Papa Rambo. Mama Ruby. Miggy. Dia. Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi guys. My pet pies. What's your fog today, Mama?
Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen, Papa. Come here now. Say Guten Morgen. Quiet, quiet. Say Guten Morgen. Where are you going?
Hi. We're going to
Liechtenstein.
Mama. There's lots of
It's
plants.
5:20 a.m. As usual, we're waiting for a bus. They're still sleeping.
Mama, don't you know what cold-proof insects are?
Cold proof.
Remember when we came from super duper early in the morning, we saw like an insect on the door. So there are insects now.
Good morning, child. Good morning.
See you later at night time, Moon.
We just pass by all.
Yeah. Take a video?
Yeah.
Okay.
Are you not dizzy now?
No.
It's a small town. Smile. They're still sleeping.
I'm not.
Oh.
There's our solar system is colliding in our solar system.
Where did you learn that?
From a short.
Yeah.
But actually, it will take so many years still. I will already die when 400 kilograms of ice cream.
Oh my
And
god.
he died because of how many eats he eat. Because of how many diabetes he eat.
How many sugars?
I think he eat like 1 billion.
Oh my god. So what's the lesson? You don't eat?
Too many sweets.
Eh, your tip eh. Yung tip na yung tooth na nagaulag-ulag.
Who's that? You want the egg juice?
Lindau. We're going to Lindau.
Wait, that's
Wala masyadong masyado. Yeah. Oh, hindi na makita. We're at the lake. Constance. One part of Lake Constance. There.
Oh, I saw it.
Ay, nakita na rin.
Oh my god.
Hold on, watch out. Here. Our first short stop. Wow. Say correct. Look at this tree. We're on the other side. Oh, Miggy! The Alpine mountain can be seen here. Oh. The snowy mountain. Wala nang masyadong tao kasi after holiday ang aming gala. Easter Sunday, Monday ngayon. Short stop lang kami. Papunta po kami Liechtenstein. Kaso may 1 hour and a half pa. Wala masyadong tao. May hotel Seaguard. Maganda din palang magbakasyon ng after holiday kasi wala ng mga tao. Parang sarili niya yung lugar. Diyos ko nga, akala ko hindi na masyadong malamig. Ang lamig-lamig pa din. Oh my God. Yung bag namin ng pusain. Napasabit. Doon kami yung gano'n ng drinks. Dito yan. 1, 2, 3. Look at the train ako. It's so unique and looks weird.
What is that?
Yeah, look. We saw this one in Lake Constance before on the other side. Ito Lake Constance din ito pero doon sa pinaka main. Ang lamig pala. Sakit ng kamay ko, lamig. Look at these flowers. Tinanim lang nila yan. Basta pag magsispring na, tubsok nila yung mga bulaklak na yan. Kaya biglang parang dumadami agad yung flowers. Ganda dito. Ang ganda dito pagka hindi malamig at hindi maulan.
Where's my glasses?
Huh? I don't know.
Stop there.
Where? Bayern na yan dito, no? Bayern. Ito yung kanilang Banbo train station. Lindau. Lindau Insel. Insel means island. And bye-bye. Dumaan lang kami. Daming hotels dito, no? Ano meron dito? Baccarat. Odense. Tatlong country siya. Germany, Austria, at Switzerland. Sa boundary kami, kumbaga. Mickey, oh. Mickey is na naman. Nasa 3 countries at the same time. We'll put it on our ref. Be? Sit down. So cute. Maybe it's looking for a food.
You just ate a food.
Oh, it's coming to you. It's not. Oh, there. Oh, is that a food or paper? No, that's not a food. Don't eat it.
just a hard bread.
Ah, okay. Another train. Nakailang lipat-lipat kami. Pa-Deutschland ticket lang kasi kami. Nakailang lipat-lipat kami. Pa-Deutschland ticket lang kasi kami, guys. Welcome on board.
Those are berries.
No?
They're berries.
It's not berries. There's the...
No.
You cannot eat that.
Sabbats.
Siyang plants na may ano. Inalungi-lungi niya ang ngipin niya. Parang matatanggal na nga eh. Welcome to Bregenz, Austria. Yeah, this is already a part of Austria.
Australia?
Not Australia, Austria.
I like doing this.
Nahanap namin ang Tokyo restaurant. There. Ano? Where is it? Later naman. It's like they're hanging their clothes here, oh.
I removed the bottom paper.
Okay.
Isda siya nakita.
Here.
Yung picture ng mga isda. Gusto lang niya ng picture daw. Wow. Okay. Tumanog siya sa isda. Madali na.
Let's go.
We'll go inside now.
There, oh. Running sushi buffet. Miggy.
Go.
Okay, go.
I'll do it first.
Hold it properly, ah. Ganda, ano na. Chicken. Okay, get it. Get it na. Ah, no. More na yan, mamaya.
No. Okay.
Hurry
go.
up. iPhone.
Oh, there's a shrimp chip already.
Ikaw na din.
Go. Go.
Hurry up. Nadlock siya.
Oh, that's enough later.
Enough na later naman.
You want plain rice? Plain rice?
Yeah.
Okay, go get it.
Get it.
No.
Here.
Kunin mo na. Nadlock siya.
It's I'm afraid because it's burning hot. I can feel the hot.
Okay, sit down. €13.8 per person. Buti na appetit. kaming 10 minutes. Ang dami na namin nakuha. Ang sarap. Namigin, no? Masarap. Masarap.
It's just been so fast here, but we already found some super duper yummy stuff.
Oh.
Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Yeah.
8, 9, 10,
Ito masarap.
11,
Itong
12,
beef
and
nila. Wow. Yummy. Puta ko.
Wow.
Wow.
Arigato gozaimasu.
Arigato gozaimasu daw. Ang sasarap. So sarap kung sinigi pa. Thumbs up. Kailan na siyang plate. So far, gusto ko yung beer,
I think you
yung
know what here.
takong, yung
Mama,
crab stick.
you have the most less food. You only have
It's okay.
I have 4. Papa has 5. And
Papa sa 7 na or 8.
probably because he's a chubby boy. There.
There. Ang sarap niya, in fairness.
It looks
Ito.
like a spring roll.
That's in this
Wait.
food.
Did you know they have a lot of lucky French fries. The ones that are brown like this are lucky.
Show me your yummy face. So good.
I like the brown.
Done eating. Smile. Dito kami sa Dragons.
Dito ka sa cable cars. Dito ka sa McDonald's. Dito ka, we went to Tokyo.
So, meron silang cable car. There, Diro. The cable car is going up. Smile.
See, the one jump.
Here at Bregenz, Austria.
Just take a video. Just take a picture of me. Far away.
Okay, but don't go past the line. Yeah. Stop na. Stop. Come. Enough na. Then mag-take a bus. Going to Liechtenstein. Diyos ko, pang 5-6 na namin lipat ito. Saan tayo?
Walang direct dito.
Oo nga. Wala siyang mag-bus kami. 14 minutes. Ito. Ito pa yun? Go na. Liechtenstein. Nandito kami ngayon sa Vaduz, yung capital city ng Liechtenstein. Kunong oras na? Alas 3 na. Matagal namin makarating kasi. Smile! Welcome to Vaduz, Liechtenstein. Katabi ang flag ng China at ng ano World of Watches. Sign!
Kung na kayo doon mag-ice cream muna or ano?
50%. Magkano na lang?
150.
150. Ito nga 189 na lang to. Special po to 99 na lang yung mga ganyan. Locket, ano yan? Compass clock. Ito mga ano talaga to. Pure Stentum. Grabe ang mga watches dito. Ang daming inchik. Parang may ano ang inchik at ang Liechtenstein. Para silang best friends. Miggy, smile! Nantok kasi siya. Mind the police. Ito na yung kanilang plaza. Oh, maliit-liit. Yan na kanilang rat house. Maliit lang siya ng syudad. May snow pa dyan sa mountain, pero hindi siya masyadong malamig, no? Kasi siguro dahil maaraw.
Sila na may snow talaga.
Oo nga. Sa tuktok. Hindi pero hindi siya sobrang, mas malamig pa nga doon kanina sa, ano? Sa Virgins. Sabagay, last 3 na ng hapon. Siguro mamaya lalamig din. May train, oh. City train. Ito yung city train nila. Pang old style. Look at their train na, oh. Ano ito? Hop on, hop off? tinatawag nila. Maliit lang siya. Sa gitna siya ng dalawang country, Austria and Switzerland. Ito na daw yun. Bye-bye, Badus. Parang wala pa kaming 1 hour. Nag-say hello lang kami sa Liechtenstein, sa Badus.
Maybe you will remove it
Tonight. Can we do it, ano?
You should have removed it in Liechtenstein.
Can we move it with a thing in,
Make
ano?
sure you don't swallow it.
May commotion doon sa likod. O, kasi
Can you take a video of
may
it
nahuli
so you can
sila
see
na,
it?
ano? Be?
So you can see it.
I cannot, ano, be? Yan o. May commotion doon sa likod. May tao kasi na, ano.
Can I see?
Oo nga. Pero hindi siya sumasakit, no? Yung ipin niya. Pero pag ginaganon na niya, masakit. Kaya hinayaan.
Parang mali yung pagtulog.
Siyempre, hindi makalabas. Oh, yan na yung Alpine Mountains ulit, oh. Parang umikot tayo. Ayan na naman siya, oh.
Go there to the
Alpine Mountains. I want to go there too, but we don't have time na.
tomorrow.
Papa. We don't have ano outfit for for snowy mountains. So move it with your tongue. Be? That's it. Wala. We will remove na yan tonight.
There? Can you shake your
It looks like I'm in a jail cell.
It's like you're where?
In a jail cell.
Yeah. Where are your teeth? Show me.